Charts in Excel 2019. Charts are powerful tools for visually representing and analyzing data in an Excel worksheet. They allow you to represent your data in various formats such as bar graphs, line graphs, pie charts, and more. Learning objectives. Charts in MS Excel. Types of charts. Creating a chart. Charts in MS Excel. A chart is a graphical representation of data that allows you to visualize and analyze information more effectively than looking at raw numbers alone. Excel supports a number of chart types that may be used to display data in various ways, making it easier to identify trends, patterns, and relationships in your data. You can create a chart using the data from a worksheet. MS Excel automatically maintains a relationship between the data and the appropriate chart. For example, when you modify the data in your worksheet, the data in the chart automatically gets updated. Components of a chart. In Microsoft Excel, a chart is composed of several components that help convey information visually. The key components of a chart in Excel are given below. Chart area, the entire area within which the chart is displayed, including all chart elements such as the plot area, axes, labels, and legends. Plot area, the area where the data series are plotted. It is bounded by the axes and grid lines. Horizontal axis, x-axis, represents the categories or labels from the data. Vertical axis, y-axis, represents the numerical values of the data. Axis labels provide information about the data being displayed on each axis. Chart title. The chart title is a text box located at the top of the chart that provides the subject or purpose of the chart. Grid lines. Grid lines are horizontal and vertical lines that help readers estimate values on the chart. Data table. Data table displays the underlying data directly below or next to the chart. This is useful for providing detailed data values alongside visual representations, making it easier for viewers to see both the graphical and numerical aspects of the data. Data labels. Data labels are individual data values shown directly on the chart. They are also known as data points. Legend. The legend is a key that explains the colors or patterns used in the chart to represent different data series. Y-axis. Chart title. Chart area. Components of a chart. Bonus content. Subject enrichment. When you click the chart, it gets selected. 3 small buttons also appear next to the chart. The first button is Chart Elements button, which allows you to add or remove specific chart elements. Types of charts. Microsoft Excel supports various types of charts to present the data. Some of the commonly used chart types are column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, scatter chart, surface chart, and radar chart. To show different types of charts, we have taken the following sample worksheet. Sample worksheet. Column chart. Column charts represent data using vertical bars, columns, that vary in height to show the values. They are suitable for comparing values across different categories or time periods. Bar chart. Similar to column charts, bar charts use horizontal bars to represent data. They are often used when you have long category labels or want to emphasize horizontal comparisons. Line chart. Line charts display data as a series of data points connected by lines. They are used to show trends over time and to illustrate continuous data. Scatter chart. Scatter charts display individual data points as dots on a graph. They are used to show the relationship between two variables and identify correlations or trends. Area chart. Area charts are similar to line charts, but the area under the line is filled with color. They are useful for showing the magnitude of change over time and the cumulative values of data series. Pie chart. Pie charts divide a data set into slices of a circle, with each slice representing a portion of the whole. They are suitable for displaying the composition or distribution of a data set. Different types of charts are shown in the following figures: column chart, bar chart, line chart, scatter chart, pie chart, area chart. Creating a chart. Before you begin creating a chart, you will need to enter data in a worksheet. Once you have entered the data, you can create a chart based on it. To do this, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the range of cells containing data for which you want to create the chart. Step 2. Click the Insert tab and then click the icon of any chart of your choice from the Charts group. Let us click the Insert column or bar chart button. A drop-down menu appears. Select the range of cells. Selecting the range of cells, click this icon, Charts group, on the Insert tab. Step 3. Select the desired chart subtype from the list. For example, we have selected the clustered column chart from the 2D column chart type. Select the desired chart type. Selecting clustered column chart. The specified chart for the selected data appears in the worksheet. Changing the chart type. Once you have inserted a chart in a worksheet, you can change its type anytime you want. To change the chart type, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the chart by clicking on its outer boundary. Select the chart. Selecting the chart. Step 2. Click the Chart Design tab and then click the Change Chart Type button in the Type group. The Change Chart Type dialog box appears. Step 3. Select the new chart type from the left pane and the desired subtype from the right. Select the new chart type from here. Select the desired subtype of the chart from here. Click OK. Change Chart Type dialog box. Step 4. Click OK. The existing chart type will be replaced by the selected chart type. Shortcut keys. Subject enrichment. Alt plus F1. Create a default chart based on the data in the current range. F11. Create a new chart in a new sheet. Alt plus Shift plus F1. Insert a new chart sheet with a default chart based on the selected data. Tab. Move between different elements of the chart. For the teacher. Begin the chapter by telling students the importance of representing data in the form of charts. Explain the components and types of charts provided in Excel 2019. Demonstrate the steps of creating a chart based on some data. Also tell them how to change one chart type to another. Give some valid data values to students, and ask them to enter data in the Excel worksheet and create a chart based on the same. Let us revise. A chart is a graphical representation of data that allows you to visualize and analyze information more effectively than looking at raw numbers alone. A chart is composed of various components that help convey information visually. Some of the key components of Excel charts are chart area, plot area, horizontal axis, vertical axis, axis labels, chart title, grid lines, data table, legend and data labels. Microsoft Excel supports various types of charts to present the data. Some of the commonly used chart types are column chart, bar chart, line chart, pie chart, area chart, and scatter chart. Add the following points. Column charts represent data using vertical bars, columns, that vary in height to show the values. Similar to column charts, bar charts use horizontal bars to represent data. Line charts display data as a series of data points connected by lines. Scatter charts display individual data points as dots on a graph. Area charts are similar to line charts, but the area under the line is filled with color. Pie charts divide a data set into slices of a circle, with each slice representing a portion of the whole.